Alright, here is a quick tutorial on how to fail all your exams. Step 1. Take pretty notes. Make sure that your friends, if you have any, are all in shock when you compare your notes with them. Set a world record for the prettiest notes for a lecture, and spend all your time using multiple colored highlighters and pens, and rulers for the straight lines. Spend hours upon hours obsessing over your notes and making them perfect. This is so that when you look back, you can easily read your notes, and hopefully it will allow you to better remember topics for the exam. Step 2. Panic. When there is a lot of stuff coming in for a big exam, panic. Get emotional. The exam is super important to you, and so you're super stressed, and panicking is completely normal. After all, it shows that you care about the exam. Whenever the tiniest bit of difficulties arise, instantly start panicking and getting anxious. Don't breathe fully and stay present. Step 3. Don't sleep. Never get a full 8 hours in bed. I mean, who actually needs sleep? You should go to sleep at 6 AM and wake up 1 minute before that at 5:59. Negative sleep. You're busy and you shouldn't have time to sleep. Scroll on TikTok till 1 AM and fry your mental health every night, because you know you could always catch up on sleep later in class. Even if you're a fighting age young man, you can always periodically lie down and rest throughout the day because you're tired. Step 4. Use the Pomodoro technique. The Pomodoro technique is a great productivity tactic that makes you 10 times more productive. Study in 25-minute sessions and never be able to get in a flow state where the real work happens. During the 5-minute breaks, make sure to distract your mind with Instagram and reply to messages on Snap. Step 5. It's not your fault. Don't take responsibility for anything. After all, it was the teacher's fault that she didn't give you enough study material before the exam. And also, you never get any time to study. It's all because of your stupid friends who keep asking you to meet and eat outside. Develop an external locus of control and choose to believe that your fate is predetermined and you can only go where the world takes you. Step 6. Environment. Live in a dirty environment. Everything should be unorganized, because after all, it's faster and more convenient to use stuff when you eventually need it. Your workspace should be cluttered, with 100 different things zapping your attention and occupying your mind. Just make sure to once in a while throw out the trash from your room and put your dirty clothes in the laundry. Step 7. Don't ask for help. Never ask teachers for help. Never ask friends for help. I mean, how much can they really help you? It's much better if you do it all yourself, as that will make you much smarter. Also, you'll skip out on any social interactions between them, which is great. Step 8. Get complacent. On the off chance that you end up doing well on an exam, make sure to obsess over the win for as long as you can, and rub it in everyone's faces. Don't care about learning the reason for your win, or what you did that made the exam go well. Instead, just be happy that you got lucky. Think to yourself that you're already good enough, and don't need to study more, and stop learning because you don't need to improve it. Step 9. Leave it to God. Hope and wish your way to do well on your exams. Never set the intention to do so yourself with a plan and effective action. Spend an hour a day praying that hopefully you will do well on the exam, and don't do anything to take care of that yourself. Think to yourself that God, with all the responsibility He already has, will take time to help you when you're not even firstly helping yourself. Your potential is only limited by your intention.